Hello, what's up? So, I have been using the Reflex Fitpro Smart Band for a couple of days now, and I think you fitness and gym freaks need to know how amazing this simple gadget is despite its low price tag. So, in this video, I'm mainly focusing on what this simple gadget can do at its price tag. And if you like mobile tech opinions, but with a Zambian touch somehow, a sub to my channel will be spectacular. And before I go any further, please help me welcome you to Zed Techpinion with choice. The Reflex Fitpro Smart Band. That's a long ass name. Okay, the Fitpro Smart Band monitors your physical activities such as walking, steps, and running. It also helps you monitor your sleep, thereby making you understand your sleep patterns and your sleep time. Besides this, it also monitors your heart rate and blood pressure. Other additional functions include motional features such as a timer which keeps track of calories burnt while you are doing sit-ups and skips. The estimated results depend on the time taken while doing a particular exercise. The Fitpro Band has other special features like that of the smartwatch, and the most important, allows you to get notified through vibration alerts and a display pop-up when you receive a call, an SMS, or a social media notification on your phone. This feature only supports specific applications such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. This function comes with two modes: the Do Not Disturb mode and the Vibration mode. The modes can be activated in the mobile app, which can be downloaded on your Android and iOS smartphone. The band uses Bluetooth to wirelessly connect the Fitpro app on your smartphone. This allows your band to synchronize with your smartphone's time, giving you the ability to set alarms on the band through the app. You can also remotely check 3 previous notifications on the band when you miss them during the 10th workout session, but you cannot respond to them or pick up calls due to the Fitpro's build limitation. Signing in into the Fitpro app is very easy. You can either use your Facebook account or you can create a Fitpro account. This account will help you store all your information relating to the activity results, the targets, and other information provided, such as your height, your weight, and everything else related to the history of the physical activities on the Fitpro Band. And if you are enjoying this video, please drop a thumbs up, and if you're not, a thumbs down. Anyway, it will help me get this channel recognized on the Zambian YouTube space, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell in order for you to get notified when I upload more content like this in the future. The Fitpro Band comes with a plastic belt on the main body, which does really feel okay to hold in the hands. Yeah, the belt really feels good to hold. And the straps come with some high quality looking rubber-like material called the thermoplastic polyurethane, which actually doesn't really feel expensive, but it gets the job done. The straps also have a good grip, which gives the Fitpro Band that unique feel on the wrist compared to a traditional watch strap when you wear it. So the Fitpro Band comes with an OLED color screen, which is not too bright to view under direct sunlight, but it surely gets the job done. I mean, you won't spend 2 minutes looking at this tiny OLED display. It's just for a quick glance to check your time and other functional results. The Fitpro weighs about 25 grams. So, coming to the battery and the charging department, the Fitpro comes with an 80 mAh polymer battery, which takes about 2 hours to charge from 0 to 100, and the battery powers this device for about 2 to 3 days according to my observation under normal usage. The Fitpro does not require a separate charger. It has a USB charger built into its body and can be connected to a USB port of a laptop or a travel charger for charging. Coming to the most important area of this video, the price. The Fitpro is currently selling at $170 from most tech dealers and mobile tech shops around Lusaka, but in other towns such as Livingston, Mazabuka, and some towns on the Copperbelt province, it can cost as much as 200 kwacha to 250 depending on the shop you visit. So, the big question, who is the Fitpro for? Who would use the Fitpro in short? I think people who love fitness and keeping track of their physical activities, and those who love a fancy small wristband on their wrist just for that easy modern look. I think these are the people who would love the Fitpro Band. Alrighty guys, Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please do subscribe to my channel and help me get to 1000 subscribers. And this has been Chonza with Zed Techpinion. Stay safe, mask up. Peace.